Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert an image or a component in Figma design. So as you can see, this is my layout, and let's say I would like to insert an image here in this within this shape. So to do that, there are color options that we have. We can go here under the Figma menu. From there, if we go to file, and then you'll see this option called place image. You also can press Command Control and K to place an image. Alternatively, you can go here as well. If you, let's say, work with rectangle right now, this icon will change, but you need to click here in the drop down, and then from here you can choose image or video that if you want to insert within this shape, or just simply maybe in the design layout. So let's do that, and let's say I would like to insert this image. Select it and open. Right, it's gonna take a few seconds. It's ready. Click. So now, as you can see, this image has been cropped to square automatically. It was not a square image, but in that case, if you are not happy, if you want to adjust it, you can always go here to the crop tool. Here actually you have the flexibility to edit your images. You can position them, you can adjust the opacity, you can add effects if you like. You can also adjust your stroke, and of course you can position them accordingly as well. So click here in this crop icon, and then it's gonna show you what is the situation here. You can adjust it accordingly as you want. You also can choose like fit, and that's gonna let you use the entire image if you like. So friends, that's how you can insert an image or a component in your Figma design. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.